All conversation around tablets is around the iPad. But that does not mean Android tablets are missing. In fact, Samsung is coming back into the race with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. And that's the tablet we have in front of us. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 is a very handy size. The 10.5 inches is great Super AMOLED as you would expect from Samsung. But this also has Dolby Atmos, which has been tuned by AKG and gives you a superb surround sound audio experience. The best thing about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 has to be the S Pen. This S Pen is different from what you would get with the Note 9. But this is more natural. It's almost like a ballpoint pen and works like one. On this screen, it gives you pressure sensitivity and it's almost as natural as putting pen on paper. I gave it to a few friends who like painting and drawing, and they were soon asking me what this was and how much it cost. It is that kind of good. The Tab S4 also comes with this wonderful book cover, which gives you a full keyboard, which is very sturdy and you can actually put it on your knee and type. The best thing about this cover is that as soon as you put it in, the tablet switches on to the Samsung DeX mode, which gives you a desktop-like experience, which is much better than what you would get on a landscape mode on the tablet. The Samsung Tab S4 is powered by an Octa-core Qualcomm processor, and processing power at least is not an issue with this device. You can even get into video editing if you find the right apps for it. And overall, this is capable of doing whatever you want it to do, like multi-tab browsing, multi-app usage at the same time. And I like the fact that the 7300 mAh battery is going to last you 12 hours of non-stop work. And on top of it, this device is cool most of the time, and that's again a great feature. Also, the Tab S4 comes with LTE, which means you can put in your SIM and get 4G connectivity. That affects the battery life a bit, so I would suggest you keep it switched off for most of the time. In my books, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 is the best Android tablet out there. Yes, there are not many Android tablets out there, but if you're looking at an Android replacement for your existing tablet or looking to move into the tablet sphere, this is the best option right now, primarily because it gives you two great input options, the best of them being the S Pen. The Samsung Galaxy S4 comes at a very good price of 44,390 for the 64GB LTE version, and that makes it a good value for money proposition.